Does your yard look like this? Overgrown, chaotic, totally unusable? Ours was a forgotten. We've got weeds taller than me, mystery vines, and honestly, who knows what's living in. But in this video, we're transforming this nightmare into a backyard paradise, step by step, so you can do it too. Stick around. The end result, blow your mind. Before you grab a shovel, you need a plan. Walk your yard and decide. Lounge area, garden, play space. We're creating zones for everything. Sketch a simple layout. Fire pit here, garden there, path connecting it all. This plan is your blueprint and will save you hours of work. Dream big, keep it simple. With our map in hand, we're ready to start the real work. Before you dive in, suit up. Grab your gloves, goggles, safety first. You never know what's lurking in the under. Loppers, rakes, and anything else you'll need. This is your armor for battle. Start with the tallest weeds and the thickest overgrowth. These are the biggest obstacles. Clearing them first will make a huge difference. Don't worry about making it perfect right now. Just focus on making progress. Every weed you cut down is one step closer to a beautiful, usable space. Dig deep and pull out those stubborn roots. Invasive plants can come back if you leave the roots behind, so take your time and get them out. It's tough work, but it's worth it. Use string trimmers and mowers to cut everything down to ground level. Don't stress about neatness. Right now, it's all about reclaiming the space and making it manageable. You'll have time to fine-tune later. As you clear, make organized piles. Green waste here, trash there. Keeping things sorted will make cleanup easier and help you see your progress. It's amazing how quickly the chaos starts to disappear when you work methodically. Every cleared foot is a victory. Move on to pruning shrubs and cutting back thick vines. You might uncover hidden gems, maybe a forgotten flower bed, or a beautiful stone path buried under the mess. This is your chance to rediscover your yards. If the job feels overwhelming, don't hesitate to rent a brush cutter or other heavy-duty equipment. Work smarter, not harder. These tools can save you hours and spare your back. When you're done, step back and admire your work. The yard is now a blank slate, stripped to its bones and ready for a fresh start. All that hard work has paid off. The jungle is defeated. Now, with the chaos cleared, you're ready to build something amazing. Let's get started on your new garden adventure. Now we give the yard definition. Lay out your patio area with pavers or stone, no concrete needed. Add a stepping stone path to connect zones. Clean lines and defined spaces make the yard look intentional and professional. Step back, adjust, and make sure the flow feels right. Even simple materials can create a polished look. The skeleton of our paradise is in place. Time to add life. Great soil and smart plant choices bring your yard to life. Loosen compacted soil in beds. Add loads of compost and mix it in. Choose low-maintenance, climate-friendly plants with a mix of heights and color. Arrange plants in odd-numbered groups for a natural look. Place pots before. Finish with a thick layer of mulch to lock in moisture and keep weeds down. The garden beds are now lush, vibrant, and easy to maintain. If you step outside and see a patchy, overgrown, or just plain sad-looking lawn, lawns can quickly get out of hand, especially after a busy season or a stretch of bad weather. But the good news is, you have plenty of options to bring your outdoor space back to life. If you're hoping to revive your existing lawn, start by removing any weed. Next, and remove dead grass, which helps new seeds make contact with the soil. Tough, drought-resistant grass. This combination gives your lawn the best chance to bounce back. After seeding, water the area gently but thoroughly every day, especially during the first. Consistency is key. New grass seeds need steady moisture to sprout and establish strong roots. If you miss a day or let the soil dry out, you might lose some of your progress. So set a reminder or use a timer on your sprinkler to help you stay on track. But maybe you're tired of fighting with grass altogether. If you want a lower maintenance, eco-friendly alternative, consider planting clover, hardy ground cover, or even installing artificial turf. Clover stays green with less water, attracts pollinators, feels soft underfoot. Ground covers like creeping thyme or sedum can add color and texture, while artificial turf gives you a green look year-round, almost no up. For a truly sustainable option, ultimately, the best choice is the one that fits your lifestyle, climate, and the amount of time you want to spend on maintenance. Think about how you use your yard, what kind of look you prefer, and how much effort you're willing to put in. Whether you choose to reseed, plant clover, or go with artificial turf, there's a solution that can work. With a little effort and the right approach, you'll soon see new green shoots emerging, transforming your yard into a beautiful, inviting space. No matter which path you choose, your new green carpet growing and beautiful, ready for you to enjoy. Now, let's talk about the real magic, the features that truly make your yard unforgettable. These are the wow factor, the things that make guests stop in their tracks and say, I wish my backyard looked like this. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to add a few special touches, these ideas will help you create a space that's not just but also unique. Think of your yard as a blank canvas, ready for you to add those personal personal, show-stopping detail to reflect your style and passion. One of the most popular features we added was a DIY fire pit. Using a simple kit, we were able to build it in just a few hours. Next, we strung up outdoor string lights overhead, and the transformation was incredible. To add more greenery and a touch of creativity, we installed a vertical garden on a blank fence. This not only brings life to an otherwise plain wall, but it also gives you space to grow herbs, flowers, or even small vegetables. For a touch of tranquility, consider adding a small water to your garden. The soothing sound helps mask neighborhood noise, making your outdoor space feel like a private oasis. Don't forget to personalize your space with features that reflect your interests. Maybe you dream of relaxing in a hammock with a good book, hosting movie nights with an outdoor projector, or baking fresh pizzas in your very own. These are the touches that make your yard truly yours, a place where you can unwind, entertain, and create lasting memories with family and friends. All these features come together to give your yard soul and character, transforming it from a simple patch of grass into a true destination. It's not just about how it looks, but how it feels. The laughter, conversations, quiet moments of relaxation. Your backyard becomes a place where everyone wants to gather, linger, and enjoy the outdoors. And remember, you don't have to be a professional to embrace the DIY spirit. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to try new things. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish with a little creativity and effort. Each project adds a layer of personality and pride to your space. With our fire pit crackling, string lights glowing, and all these special touches in place, our backyard transformation. It's now a space that's not only beautiful, but also full of life, warmth, and memories waiting to be made. So go ahead, dream big, get creative, and make your own backyard the ultimate destination.